Welcome to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll show you how I made my simple pan-fried potatoes. You will need 4 small potatoes chopped up into small pieces. Rinse the potatoes under cold water. After draining the potatoes, I will leave it in a Tupperware. I'll add a lid. I'll pop it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Check to see the tenderness of the potatoes and add it for another 5 minutes. I cooked these potatoes for a total of 10 minutes. To season these potatoes, I'll be using garlic and onion powder, paprika, parsley flakes, ground pepper, as well as salt. Mix the potatoes. In a hot pan, I added 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Add the potatoes to the hot pan. Flip the potatoes so they can get brown on all sides. Now there you have it, simple pan-fried potatoes. On the outside they're very crispy, on the inside they're nice and creamy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video.